Welcome back, you lovely people. This is our first status update in a while. We haven't needed to do one because we were one of the first channels to recognize that off of the correction from channel 1, we were going to have a second channel. We drew this in as early as possible. We initially had this very steep trend line in here. We knew that wasn't sustainable. We broke to the downside and created the channel that we're in at the moment. And now we've been going sideways, let's say for, call it 15 days today, and we're coming into the bottom of the channel. So people are starting to get a bit frustrated, starting to wonder if everything is okay. So do we have a precedent for going sideways for a couple of weeks? I'm just coming over here to a different chart. This is in 2017. And I have already drawn in the middle of channel 2 in 2017, we went sideways for something like a week and a half. So it does look similar to 2017, not exactly the same, but similar. And, you know, we went up very quickly at the beginning of the channel. This was when everybody was very excited about the ETF news. And that meant we put in a lot of gains, very early on. And now we're having a bit of a consolidation, and that's absolutely fine. Remember the quote, the longer the base, the faster the race. We have this very strong support here at $59,000. I am expecting that to hold. And I've also drawn in this little line here just to help the market out. This will take us up to our target zone of above $82,000. We are well now within the target range, which started on the 21st of October. And in fact, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove the 21st of October. So now we're aiming at the 22nd, between now and the 22nd of November. So I can update our target zone to look something like that. We can get a lot more precise. And you can see now the zone that we're aiming at, somewhere between 82,000 and 104,000, and between tomorrow and the 22nd of November. Of course, if we start moving over the next couple of days, maybe it'll be higher and sooner. And if we continue to consolidate for the next few days, then we're probably looking towards the end of that range, towards the 22nd of November. But rest assured that everything looks right on time. So there isn't much to say other than that, just to make everybody very, very comfortable that this looks really, really good. We're seeing strong support. Every time we drop down, we're seeing it getting bought up. And it wouldn't surprise me if we start to make our next move either over the weekend or into early next week, so we can head up to the peak of cycle 2. And of channel 2, and remember, especially if that's somewhere between, let's say, 90 and 100,000, you're going to get a lot of market participants thinking that was the top. So that's going to be one of our key edges once we come up here and then we drop down, call it 30% or so. There's going to be a lot of panic, and we know exactly where we are in the cycle, and that we expect that to be lift off into cycle peak. So we are prepared, we're ready. Not many other people are ready. So well done, keep focusing, keep studying. We are in the home straight now. It's game time, we're doing it together. Thank you for supporting, and I'll talk to you soon.